It's Wednesday, March 22nd. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And in the backdrop of the current concerns surrounding the banking sector following the failure of a couple of banks in the States, this will likely strike a chord with Canadians who have a lot of money in savings accounts. The Bank and Trust Companies Association urging the feds to raise the current insurance limit on account deposits. Canada's current limit of $100,000, the lowest in the G7. What sale? Consumers not impressed with much anticipated markdowns at Canada's 13 Nordstrom outlets. The company's liquidation kicking off on Tuesday with a measly 5% off. Spread the news and tell your friends about Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news that impacts you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. A notable increase for the federal minimum wage affecting federally regulated sectors like banking, postal, and courier services, along with interprovincial air, road, rail, and marine transportation, going from $15.55 to $16.65 an hour as of April 1st, the annual review based on inflation. Despite several worker surveys showing strong support for working at home, Canada's largest bank, the Royal, thinks it's time for staff to get back to the office. RBC, the first big bank, advising staff that as of May 1, they'll be expected to be at their desks at least 3 to 4 days a week. And sportswear giant Nike continues to do just fine despite weaker sales out of China. The company's third quarter profit down from a year ago, but still better than forecast at nearly $1.25 billion. They made $1.4 billion in the same 3 months of last year. And that's it for your Wednesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.